back, or welcome if you're new here. This is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More, where I share my love of home decor, tablescapes, cooking, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls. New videos are uploaded Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And my monthly live, the first Saturday of each month at 10 a.m. Now let's enjoy the video together. On this Tuesday afternoon, I thought I'd share some cleaning motivation. You know how things just start off small and they keep building. Well, I was just looking in this cabinet to get something, to retrieve something, and noticed, well, I needed to tidy it up. So it became the domino, the snowball effect, and I started cleaning out this cabinet, and then it went to my drawer. Then I went to sleep and woke up the next day and completed the task. So I'm cleaning my bottles and also checking my inventory on my spices and seasonings. It's almost time for me to do another grocery haul because, I'm off the Daniel fast and I need to buy some groceries real soon. So let me take this time to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor, and I love sharing my passions with you. So if you're new here, please consider joining my Priceless family. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to show you something in just a minute. Right. You see this time? It's 8 p.m. at night. I finished cleaning. I did some cooking, oiled my cast iron, and what did I cook? Well, you'll just have to come back on Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time to see what I cooked in my priceless kitchen. Kitchen all clean, smelling all divine, and the kitchen is officially closed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you real soon. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.